Today I'm going to teach you how to qualify for more surveys when you're taking them online. The platform I'm going to be using is FreeCash. I use this website because it offers instant cash outs as soon as you finish a survey, but this applies to any survey taking website. If you don't already have a FreeCash account, click on the link in my description or scan that QR code on the screen for a free $5 when you first sign up. So I'm going to click on a couple of these different surveys and give you a couple tips of what I could do for basic demographics to get qualified almost every time once you get past the initial step of clicking on the survey itself. Make sure you're selecting a country and state that it's valid to take surveys in. Or else it's going to disqualify you automatically. We're always going to be in our mid-20s for these surveys. Four years of college or bachelor's degree equivalent. Not Hispanic. And then with these ones, it really doesn't matter what you click. This is a basic survey about politics. This right here is trying to get people disqualified for randomly selecting answers, so this is a good one to actually read and take your time just to make sure. So which of the following activities did you do last weekend? Select up to 5. It's usually best to keep it lower than 5. We'll select 3. Now it's just going to go forward. It looks like we did get qualified for this survey, so I'm just going to speed through all these questions and see how quickly I could get it done. Looks like we did get another trick question here, so we want to select strongly agree. If we select anything else, we would have been disqualified. Make sure we take a little bit of time when answering these questions. Don't just randomly click on one. Give it like 2 seconds and then the next one will load. They're only paying us 80 cents for this survey, so you don't need to give too much information. So it looks like this is the last question of the survey. This is going to disqualify you if you don't put enough words in this text box. So let's put in a couple sentences about what the survey was. At the very beginning, I said very conservative, so I'm going to select that. If I clicked moderate, it would have kicked me out. Now it's just trying to collect more information about my profile. So we're just going to select single, never married. Really doesn't matter with these ones. Make sure when you're answering these questions, it matches what you put at the very beginning. Okay, so it looks like that survey was completed. Now on FreeCash, we should be redirected and automatically paid out. 84 cents. That took us a total of 10 minutes to complete for 84 cents. That wasn't the best survey, but it is a little bit later at night right now, so the surveys aren't the best that we can get qualified for. Usually if you take them in the early morning or afternoon time, you're going to get some better high-paying surveys that you can get qualified for. Once you earn 1 cent a day, you also get one of these cases for a chance to win $10 every single day. Once you complete $20 worth of surveys or other gaming offers, which I have a link in my description below of how to earn money fast by opening up apps every day, I've completed lots of different offers where I earn money by just logging into apps. Like these are some of the ones that are in progress right now. $10 for 30 days or 40 days. This one's $15. Yeah, so there's a bunch of different offers that you could find here on FreeCash under the Earn tab. Gaming offers, surveys, and other offers. I'd recommend signing up with my link in the description below. You get a free $5 when you first sign up. If you learned anything new from this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting more content about how to make money on FreeCash. Click on the link in my description below about how to actually make money by opening up apps every day. You'll get your $20 cash out pretty quickly if you watch that video.